Union County Championships, triple jump, Dante Waldron, Linden High School. Dante's third and final jump in the finals. Dante is a senior. Coach Leon and the other coaches at Linden High School. Union County Championships 2015, May 15. And it's a mark for Dante. This is his last jump. This is his third jump in the finals.
That's right.